When that attacks, however, the pine trees have a second line of defense. They produce that volatile oil from the cuts made by the insects in even greater quantity, and that crucially changes the nature of the smells around the trees. Aphid infestation triggers a complex chain reaction from the pines. Each time an aphid bites, the pine releases oily vapor from the wound, which fills the surrounding air. This scent cloud attracts predatory ladybirds. They're as sensitive to it as sharks are to blood. This is the eyed ladybird, and it preys on pine aphids. It locates an infestation by following the trail of volatiles. And once there, it makes short work of the prey. It's a mutually beneficial arrangement. The ladybird gets an easy meal, and the pine tree gets rid of a pest.